guys, it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for a ginger and lime chicken curry. I personally love the spiciness and punch of ginger, and paired with tangy lime, which is super bright, this is an unbelievable combination. And once you start making this curry, you won't be able to stop. And hey, I'm also going to splash in a little bit of coconut milk into the curry to make it nice and creamy. You guys are going to love the flavors. But before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's make a ginger and lime chicken curry. We're going to start by prepping the star ingredients of the dish, the ginger and the lime. And I'm going to be using the same tool, a microplane. If you don't have a microplane, get one. It will change your life. It makes things so easy in the kitchen. And all I'm going to do with the ginger is finely grate it until I have about a tablespoon. Next, we're going to collect the zest of the lime that has so much flavor. And again, we're going to use that microplane, turning the lime so that you get only the green bit. I'm also going to split a few Thai chilies lengthwise, and that way they add flavor to the curry without a ton of heat. Now that we've got all our key ingredients prepped, let's make this curry. So I have a wok here. I love using woks for curries because they conduct heat really well. And to it, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. And once that's nice and hot, we're going to temper some spices. So I have some bay leaf, cinnamon, and clove that are going to go in. I'm going to saute these off for about 10 seconds until the cloves puff up. I'm now going to pour in some chopped onions, and we're going to saute these off until they're nice and soft. Now in goes our star ingredient, the grated ginger, as well as our split chilies, and we're going to cook that off for another 10 to 15 seconds until you can really smell that ginger come to life. Now, to give our curry a bit of body, I'm going to add in some chopped tomatoes. We're going to season up with salt, and we're going to take the time to cook those tomatoes down until they caramelize and reduce. Now that my tomatoes are dancing across the pan, I want to introduce the ground spices. So I have some garam masala, some kashmiri chilli, ground coriander, as well as turmeric that are going in. And we want to saute this off for about 15 seconds just to perfume the tomatoes. This is a chicken curry after all, so I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've cut into bite-sized pieces. They're going to go into the wok, and I'm going to fold them into the tomato mixture, and we're going to cook them on medium heat for about 15 minutes until they've cooked through. At this point, I'm going to drop the heat down so that it's just at a bare simmer, and I'm going to pour in a splash of coconut milk that's going to add a ton of richness to this curry. Now with the heat off, we're going to go with our final additions, a little bit of lime juice, the lime zest that we grated earlier, as well as some julienned ginger and some coriander. We're just going to fold that all the way through, and just like that, our ginger lime chicken curry is done. I have to say that through this entire cooking process, I was so tempted to dip my fork into the pot because the smells were so insane. But now it's good that I've been patient because I can give it a taste. So let's grab a chunk of chicken, a little bit of that sauce. Oh my God, it's so luscious and thick. You guys are gonna love this curry. The very first thing I get is the richness of the coconut milk. Now we didn't add too much, but it does a beautiful job of coating the chicken and making it nice and creamy. Next, you get that acidity from the lime. It just bursts through, and that sharp, spicy ginger just sets it all off. Now, if you're looking for a different type of chicken curry to make at home that plays on different flavors, then this one is for you. And the best part is that it comes together in under 30 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.